Okay. Okay. And what's the name of your dog?
This is Lacey.
Lacey. Lacey over here. Woo, woo. Roof, 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 roof.
I think she's camera shy. She's a little nervous. If you're wondering if you could see the hospital, unfortunately, I just have Bob's Burgers as my background right now, only because if I were to bring you in the hospital, I would have to have all of the permission from any single person in the view to see. You know, if Bob walked into my work environment, he would see on one side a lab where we're doing what you always think of with test tubes and things that smell weird and you know, learning more about small things that can change, you know, if you're implementing something in the diet, small little changes that could have an impact. But if you look on the other side, you also see the hospital. So you also see actual patients where you're actually able to, whether it's through, you know, changing physically what they're eating or just educating them. So kind of both sides of it, you're able to get, yeah, both the research side and also the intervention side. We study things that I think people don't necessarily think of. So when a baby's born, everyone just assumes the baby's healthy and that, you know, they can go on, they can breastfeed, they can get food, you know, normal food, they grow up and to be a healthy adult. But there's a couple babies that will be born that they actually have a genetic disorder. So they can't actually metabolize food like how you and I can. And they require a lot of intervention outside of, you know, just traditional medicine that you go to the doctor. They actually really require all of their food to be regulated and everything that they're intaking to be monitored. So for all of those babies, yes, it's rare that those things happen, but it's still super important that we do the research on it. So with our labs, we do both the clinical side, so we're seeing those patients and watching them grow up, but also seeing what extra steps we could be taking to possibly help them. And my name is Becca Koch, and I am a registered dietitian and postdoc at Duke. And I hope to never have to see you because you don't have these rare genetic diseases.